Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on Picture-in-Picture in Settings so the system allows floating players. Once enabled, open the primary video or meeting and begin playback. Make sure it's playing before you trigger Pi-P. Then open the content you want as the smaller overlay, camera feed, another video, or screen share. Tap the app's Pi-P icon or use the system gesture to send the secondary source into the floating window, so both streams are now active and ready for placement. Once both sources are visible, you'll position and resize the floating window for clarity and minimal obstruction. Drag the Pi-P to a corner or edge, use pinch gestures or handles to scale it while keeping the correct aspect ratio so faces and text remain readable. Make sure audio is routed correctly. Mute the Pi-P if it's background, or set the primary app to carry sound. If syncing matters, nudge playback or use sync tools so audio and visuals remain aligned. Finish by locking the Pi-P position or applying layout presets so nothing drifts during playback or recording. You should run a quick test. Record or stream a 10-15 second clip to confirm visibility, audio mix, and performance. Save or apply any overlay presets for future use. If something goes wrong, restart the app, confirm Pi-P permissions, and update the operating system or app. These steps fix most failures and restore Pi-P functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.